Welcome back this morning, every one of you. I will be showing you what we have been doing on Bitcoin lately. So quickly, we are now taking things to a better path. You understand? So the trade you see on Bitcoin this morning, the things you see Bitcoin doing is a gift. You do not have to neglect that gift. It's a gift. You have to appreciate it. You can see the good trade we took today, and wherever Bitcoin move, whenever Bitcoin is doing a very serious movement, you need to appreciate that movement. I will tell you why. Now, quickly, we are going to show you a quick update on Bitcoin and Ethereum. You understand? So you do not have to regret. You have to just think like a bank. If you missed a trade, then you have to wait. If you miss a trade, you still have to wait. You understand? That's how it works. So quickly, I'll be looking at Bitcoin on what? On the bigger time frame this morning. So what am I expecting on Bitcoin? Quickly, I don't want this video to be long, but before I go into what we have, I need you guys to share this video to your friends and then drop your comments on what you're going to be expecting after watching the video also. And also do not forget to do your own research. Everything we do here is for educational purpose. So quickly, this morning, if you look at Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame, what am I expecting on Bitcoin first? I want to see a rejection here. If I see a rejection from here, then I'll continue shorting Bitcoin because we know it has been moving in a downward direction. So that's that on this first scenario. Now the second scenario is that if you look at Bitcoin on the daily time frame quickly, you will see that we have this other block here. Sorry, on the weekly time frame rather. We have this other block, and we have this other block here, and we have this breaker block. And price must come to this place before coming to this low. You will see it for yourself. You will say, I told you. Price must come here before coming for this low. So the reason why Bitcoin dropped before was because of there was a Fibonacci here. So you have to give thanks to every move that Bitcoin is making, but not to Bitcoin though, to give thanks to God rather. Because every move you made is a way for you to still make more money for yourself. So this is it. Price has retraced from this Fibonacci. You understand? It has retraced from here, and that's why it dropped. Same thing on Ethereum. So quickly, I have 2 points of view of where I'm watching, on Bitcoin. Here, this breaker block, and here, this other block. So hopefully, this other block is going to be the main thing here. So quickly, I want to go to what we have on Ethereum. I've showed you what we have on Bitcoin on the bigger time frame. On Ethereum, right? I want to show you what we quickly have there. On Ethereum, on the bigger time frame, you can see what Ethereum is doing, right? On the 1 hour time frame, you can see that price is retracing back into that golden zone of the Fibonacci. So what are you expecting? I want to see a rejection around there. If there is no rejection, then I will keep buying. If there's no rejection and it keeps going on, I'll keep looking for a point of buying. You understand? That is scalp traders. You just have to keep looking for a buy position until, while you are buying, you have to be managing your risk very well, and then reduce lot size, all those kind of stuff. You understand? Risk management, you have to apply them. So now quickly, if you look at what is happening now on Ethereum, we can see on the weekly time frame we have these other blocks still active and this liquidity close to it. Price will suddenly get to this place and then drop back. You understand? So I think there will be a deceiving move to this place. I'm just waiting for Iran and US to seal it. Hopefully they will. So I know they will. This war cannot make, because US will have to check what they are spending. So I'm expecting the trade to reverse back here to this Bitcoin and Ethereum to reverse back. So these are my expectations. Please make sure you do your research. I'm just watching the news. Once Europe USD starts to become bullish and gold and silver and the rest, I expect Bitcoin to start making its own retracement and Ethereum to start making their own retracement. Please do not forget to share these videos to your friend, this video in particular to your friend. Do your own research, and please drop your own comment on what you think might happen. You can drop your own review. Feel free. I wish you guys all the best. Good luck.